Guys, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ron. Ngayong araw to mag-unbox tayo ng isang 9mm made in Ruger, which is model is SR1911. So guys, i-unbox na natin. So guys, ito yung box ng SR1911 Ruger made in USA. So check na natin guys yung laman. So manual niya guys, may manual na siya. Mga manual niya to. And then ito na guys. So ang SR1911 guys, mayroon siyang 2 extra magazine. And ang laman niya, mayroon siyang padlock kasama. So ito, kasama rin siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung para saan to. And 2 extra magazine. So check natin guys yung firearms. So guys, ito na siya. SR1911 Ruger, made in USA guys. And then 5 inches yung barrel length, caliber 90mm. Ang slide material niya guys is made in stainless steel. And then yung grip niya, naka deluxe checkered G10 na siya guys. So check nyo, ang ganda niya guys, stainless steel yung slide material niya. So naka boomer sight na siya guys, yung sight niya. Yan guys, naka boomer sight. And then naka combat hammer. Combat hammer na siya guys. Then combat trigger na siya. Ang safety naman niya guys is double safety. So naka ambi safety na siya guys. So check nyo guys. So i-check natin yung barrel niya. Ngayon guys, yung barrel niya is naka bull barrel. 1911 is our Ruger. Okay? Naka-bore barrel na siya guys. So tinakpan ko to guys para di makita yung serial. Ayaw kong makita ng iba yung serial. So ito naman guys, yung sa ilalim niya, kung makikita nyo, nakaramp na yung barrel niya guys. Okay? So ang ganda niya guys. So chinek ko yung review. Okay naman siya guys. Ang ganda din niya iputok. Okay? Okay guys, ipalapit ko lang talaga para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang SR1911 Ruger to guys ha, Ruger. Ito guys. Okay. Ganda. Ganda niya guys ha. Oh, see? Ruger SR1911. Okay? Stainless steel, 5 inches barrel length. This is caliber 9mm. So 9mm siya guys. Ang ganda niya. So far, ang ganda niya guys. Okay? Sa mga gustong mag-avail nito guys, message me from my Facebook account. Or call me for my I have a contact number on my Facebook, and then call me if you want to buy this. Okay? So guys, salamat sa mga idol kong kapistolero. Okay? Subscribe na kayo sa my channel ko guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. SR1911. Sa price nito guys, naka-sale siya actually. Naka-sale siya ngayon. Sa gustong mag-avail nito, the best gun guy for 1911. Ruger, stainless steel. Made in USA guys. Okay? Sa mga gustong mag-avail guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me through my YouTube. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.